When we like flew over the Grand Canyon when we went to Vegas.
I don't remember that specific time, but I know I've done it a bunch.
Yeah. But like you see how big it is and like
Yeah, it's
how
huge.
enormous and you're going like fuck, this was made by nature. We're so fucked if anything happens like natural disaster wise. Like there's no like bartering with it or negotiations. It's just gonna come and you're like so
Look,
fucked.
people who really understand nature understand that it's in total control because all the Earth has to do is like shift the tectonic plates like a half inch, not even like that much, like a half inch, and a tidal wave the size of fucking Alaska comes
Yeah.
and just wipes everything out.
We are so fucked.
At any moment it wants, it could just absolutely wipe us